Environmentally friendly, recycling fibers, landscape design. The hospitality's design moves to the nature and reuse materials.
Hi, how are you? The focus of the booth is to the message of so the yarns are made out of plastic, but it's about extracting the yarns out of the sea. So a lot of our garbage and plastic ends up just dumped in the sea, so extracting it from the ocean and then turning it into that fiber, recycled fiber, and we just made the rug out of it.
Yeah, I like the idea of cycle and made these rugs. Somehow it's really matched my dress today, my outfit.
Designers collaborate with Southeast Asia for craftworks. In Southeast Asia, temperature normally hot and humid. Materials they like to choose bamboos, rattan can cooling the environment. Larger fire ceramic can mount plants on the wall. It's a trend for bathrooms, living rooms, and hospitality design. Wallscape, inspired by Japanese Zen garden. All the live plants, like natural growing plants in between the concrete sculptures. Art Nouveau designs, and also like a shimeji mushroom shape that gives the whole landscape like a fairy tale stories. I'm Giovanna. Art connects you and me. My video is about art, tech, design, music, food, and green. If you like my video, share and like with your friends and family. Share and like with your love.